Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will learn about thick and thin. Now look at the picture. This orange notebook is thin and these two green books are thick. Now look at this picture. The boy holds thin log and this is a thick log. Did you know thick things are wide or broader while thin things are narrower and slimmer? Now students, let's have a little activity. Circle the thick object. Now circle the thin object. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.